have here our national president, so si Architect Richard, and then we have the Secretary General, si Architect Vanessa. This is a question talaga na laging tinatanong ng ating architect community. Usually po, no, pa nag-i-start talaga ng business or nag-i-start ng firm yung mga architects natin, especially the young ones po, no, lagi po na lang reasons hindi sila na-appreciate. So in our practice, most challenges talaga and the experience nila is they feel underappreciated, and then they feel po na hindi nakikita yung efforts, and then yung kahit simple activities na sinishare sa kanilang leaders. They believe na yung all credits is napupunta sa architect, yes, for the boss lang. Ang question po natin is, what are the effective ways na pwede niyo po ma-share to show our appreciation, to strengthen the team collaboration, and empower our people, especially the architects?
Ang gusto mo, Vanessa, mauna?
Ikaw muna.
For mga young architects, don't feel depressed if sometimes you're not appreciated. In most cases, not necessarily physical, no? But maybe you really know that the management or your leader really appreciate your task. Hanggang nandun ka, it's one sign na you are being appreciated. Eh, kasi kung talaga if they don't appreciate your work, your effort, your output, definitely tinanggal ka na sa job or tinanggal ka na doon sa task na binigay sa'yo. You'll know, no, that you're not a contributor. But sometimes, yes, it really pays to have like itatap mo from the back, appreciate, good job. I think these are the things that dapat ituro sa mga leaders din na to say, because it really matters, no? Which I usually practice na why most of my people under my studio stays for me as long as 5, 6, 8, 10 years, because the way I approach them, you don't regard me as your boss, no? You regard me as your colleague, you regard me na you're open, no? They share your family and everything. They'll be able to open up also sharing what are their thoughts, what they want to achieve. So nabibigay mo, sabi ka, being happy in the environment, in a work environment, in a workplace. Iba kasi yung output eh. Once you know that they'll be appreciated, ang balik nun is different, no? Para siyang reciprocity na anong binigay mo sa kanila, doble ang balik talaga sa'yo, yung effort, yung empathy nila and everything, and they care about the company. Not all companies are like that, no? I mean, not all leaders are like that. Continue as long as nandoon ka, pero minsan kailangan magpaki-SP.
Yes.
No? Kailangan sometimes magpaki-SP, and you have to inform. If your management is not that vocal about appreciation or not, sometimes you could call attention and indirectly, you ask for a time na you could ask, boss, am I doing the right direction? But don't say, boss, you don't appreciate me. I did this one and this one. Iba yun, binibilangan mo na siya because that's your task. But it's another way of questioning. I just wanted to understand that if I'm doing the right thing here in the company, ganito maririnig na, wow, appreciated pala ako ng boss ko. Kasi not all companies really very vocal, no? Maybe SG would be able to share their thoughts.
Yeah, I've been actually lucky. I started off in a small firm. And in small firms, as you know, of course, because konti lang kayo, everyone is appreciated. Everyone is really given some time to visit the projects and talk to the clients as well. And I've been very lucky at that. NP Richard is correct na it's also up to the leaders, up to the boss and the company, kung ano yung culture nila, that they include everyone. And I really appreciate those companies na even when they win a competition or they have a project that has come to fruition, nilalagay nila yung buong design team. And that's really good, no? That's a good practice for companies. And I wish that all companies would do that because it's really a group effort.
It's a team.
Oo, it's a team. It's a group effort. Hindi naman pwedeng yung boss lang ang gumawa. Otherwise, hindi siya boss kasi mag-isa lang siya. Diba? Another thing that is correct na NP Richard said is that you also, as a young architect, you also need to get out there. You need to better yourself. You need to be more outspoken. You need to prove to your boss and to the client that you have your own mind, that you are also part of the team, that you also help design it. Kasi baka naman pumupunta ka lang sa site tapos tahimik ka lang. Di ba, nag-iikot ka, lagi ka nasa likod lang ng boss mo. Pag wala yung boss mo, that's a time na parang you can also shine. You can also give your own opinion, whether they take it or not, diba? So you have to also speak up and show na meron ka rin pinag-aralan and you're there for a reason.